Welcome to 325 North 15th Street. This beautiful 2-bed, 1-bath is calling your name, located in the heart of downtown Phoenix. Full of personality from the moment you walk in, step inside, you're greeted with the light brown wood flooring that flows seamlessly throughout the living room. Filled with natural lighting, features a cozy fireplace, built-in shelving. It's perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Now let's talk the kitchen. It's a total showstopper, crisp white backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and eye-catching butcher block countertops with plenty of cabinet space to keep everything clean and organized. Down the hall, you'll find a spacious, fully updated bathroom with modern finishes. Talk about a sleek, relaxing combination. Next is a flex bonus room ready to fit your lifestyle, whether you need a guest room, home office, whatever it may be, with ceiling fans and a closet. And finally, the primary bedroom, your own private retreat. It's spacious, features a walk-in closet, ceiling fan, direct access to your own patio. Stepping outside is you create your own perfect space. Morning coffee, Arizona sunset with the patio, you name it. Plus a washer and dry hookups for any added convenience. Modern style, bright spaces, and an easygoing vibe. This isn't just an apartment, it's your next favorite place to be.